Yeah, I got you. Okay, let me check if I can open it. But you have a smart key, yeah?
Yeah.
How this? Yeah. It's weird. How long you been waiting? Long time?
2 hours.
Really? Why you didn't call immediately when you locked?
I did. They said I had to wait, and then my phone died.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
So I had to go in there and charge my go here, and then sit in there. Charge
Yeah.
my phone. It's a busy day.
Yeah. Yeah. A busy day.
People do that. People lock a lot.
A lot.
A lot.
A lot. Not only you. Oh yeah. Got you.
Check in the middle. The middle. Open it. No, the where
Here?
should